Lalela, uma ngabe kuyiqiniso ukuthi sonke sifunda ngamaphutha, kungani ningibambe ngamasende ngephutha elenzeke eminyakeni emithathu eyedlule? Mhlawumbe uma ngabe seniqedile ukuhlekisa ngehlala izolo, kuyofanele nizibuze ukuthi mangaka amatafula bengawo uma besingawasusa amagama ethu ekwasekeleni. Mhlawumbe kuyofanele nikhulekele nengelozi yokwamukela ukuthi ukusehlukanisa nehlulekile. I'm building a future with my wife. Thank you. Mhlawumbe kuyofanele niphume niphele kuthina.
Hi bazala bamzitho, that is umyeni kagogo maweni uSabelo guys. Uvela bahleke uSabelo ukwatile uthi why mele simjezisele into yayenzeka 3 years back. Uyawavuma ama-allegations, the cheating allegations, but uthi it's something that happened 3 years back, and yena nenkosikazi wakhe bandlulile lapho. They've been over it, bandlulile nje abasakhulumi nje nangayo. That means vele baxolene, as gogo maweni ayashilo on that clip that she will never dump uSabelo over intombazane. Now you know kusho futhi gogo maweni ukuthi you date my husband or my husband cheat with you, cause the husband egcinene cheating ngizokwenza i-lunch bar. Guys, if you have been watching i-reality show ya gogo maweni, you'll know that there's a time gogo maweni ake washo ukuthi yena akasanayo trust kuSabelo, cause uSabelo uke wamchithela, uke washo uSabelo wamchithela, noSabelo washo on the diary ukuthi uke wamchithela, wachithela gogo maweni wambamba. So ingakho gogo maweni bakakhuluma naye ngale ndlela bakakhuluma naye ngayo. So I guess into yenzeka kudala ugogo Skhotseni, even though bekathi uyayithengisa ke this call recording, bokuyinto bakazosithengisela into yakudala. And now it makes sense ukuthi why ugogo maweni ku-video yakhe ku-TikTok ukuthi when the enemy is coming for you, just stay focused, uchubeke uyenza imali. I guess we-enemy ugogo Skhotseni. Guys, another thing I wanted to tell you, I wanted us to talk about is ugogo maweni appeared on a court. We know musi ukuthi une-trial ayihambayo le yokushaya lo squeezer sakhe, kuthiwa the lady wamshaya usisi ka-baby daddy wakhe, u-anti wengane yakhe. So but i-case has been postponed to uMay, uzobuyela ngoMay. That is where ama-witnesses azothatha i-stand and everyone ke uzosho ukuthi kwenzakaleni, and that is when that means i-case izoqala kahle lapho, and they will know what really happened. And if uyagwetshwa siyazi ukuthi uzogwetshwa isikhathi esingakanani. You know, 2025 guys, I've been saying 2025 akusunyaka kagogo maweni. Gogo maweni has been through a lot guys, or is going through a lot, because each and every month kuvela lokhu. First it was ukuboshwa nini kwathiwa kwavela ex-friend yakhe Precious wathi no, lo muntu lo wangithathela umyeni wakho. Kwaphuma ikandathi ukuthi the allegations that uye wasusa ugobela wakhe endleleni. There's this guy bekathwasa kuye wavela na kuizangoma zodumo. That guy washona kathiwa naye the allegations or the kuthiwa uyi suspect. So ziningi izinto ezivele ngogogo maweni this year, but yena uyasho ukuthi she's still going strong and ayikho into ezomenza ukuthi anyakaze emhlabeni, you understand? So uSabelo guys usithethisela nje ukuthi thina sithi uyacheata, thina sithi uyicheata, but ke mina what I know ngendoda icheata kayi-1 ayeki. That one I know. And what I know nje ubuhomba baSabelo in that video akakwazi ukuthi athi thina simjezisela into ayenze 3 years back ebeni into wayenza. You cheated on this woman wena Sabelo, on this hardworking woman, not just any woman. And we know musi ukuthi wena we-house husband uphila ngalo mfazi, lo mfazi uthi makasebenza wenithatha imali yalo mntana abantu yochisa. Guys, ngiyadlala. That is all for now. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.